How to view your SIM card information on your Android phone. Here's how. First, open the Settings app. Now, scroll down and tap About Phone. Tap Detailed Info and Specs. Next, scroll down and tap Status. Scroll down until you find SIM card status. Tap on it to view your SIM card information. Here, you can see details such as your phone number, network, signal strength, service status, and other SIM-related information. Keep in mind that on some Android phones, these options may be located under Mobile Networks, SIM cards, or About Phone, so the steps can vary slightly depending on your device. That's it. You've successfully viewed your SIM card information on your Android phone. If this tutorial helped you, hit the like button. Subscribe for more quick and easy Android tutorials, and I'll see you in the next one.